I'm Lynn Lodge. I'm originally from New Jersey, and I live in Florida now, Venice, Florida. And it's been a pretty long journey. Thank you. It started when I was 11. I fell down a flight of stairs. And I cracked my 2 front teeth almost to the gum line. And so the option was they would remove the 2 front teeth and my 2 eye teeth and give me a plate with 4 teeth. You feel very vulnerable. And I'm not a vulnerable person. Most of the experiences you have going to dentists are not positive. So that's why it's important that I'm doing this.
Fine, okay?
But they have made me feel very comfortable.
It's the difficult part. The difficult part there.
Hi, Dr. Golpa.
How are you?
I am so happy to meet you.
Pleasure meeting you. We're glad you're here. You ready for this, huh?
I am ready. Just put me out, do your work, and I'm good.
All right, sounds great.
I never felt uncomfortable here for my first consult with everyone taking your teeth out. Today was a bigger experience having to do that with a camera, but I did it because if this helps even one other person make a decision, and I'm doing it.
Usually when we do zygomatic case, we start the lower arch first because we like to get the lower arch out of our way. We are sure that we are going to load this lower arch tomorrow. When things get difficult, we have to call her.
She didn't have any other choice than doing a zygoma implant, which is a long implant which goes in the cheekbone.
We're putting the prototype that we 3D printed into her mouth to check the midline and the tooth shape.
And we'll send it to the lab. They are going to put all the things together and start planning and designing her new teeth. And they are going to work overnight to get her bridges done.
So right now I'm putting this up, and in about 2 to 3 hours these bars should be done. Seems like a standard case as of right now.
You did wonderful. You did so good. I'm so proud of you.
I'm just going home and relax. I'm ready. Let's do it. I can't wait.
Hi Lynn, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
All right, Lynn, I'm gonna sit you up.
Oh my God, thank you, thank you. Oh my God.
So good.
Well, I think you did good. I just had to be. So today is the day. I got my 2 arches. They fit wonderful. But next is to live my life, to smile, and no more crying. So, but I do have a gift for the office. I don't know if you want to know about that. Some are good, some are bad. I can't attest to what they look like. No, you may have to cut the tape a little.
Oh my God.
Be careful. Be careful. So I can come and work here now. I need that.
We gotta hire her.
There you go. So that is for you guys.
Wait, group hug.
Oh,
Group
okay.
hug.
If you're gonna do it, just go and do it. Get it done. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your smile. That's it. Where's my flowers? Bring me back to my disco days. I'm sorry. Can I get my glasses? I can't see anything. Do I need to bring you coffee or anything?
No. They made me coffee.
Oh, okay. You have good drugs, right? Drugs, I'm gonna go. I'm okay then. I'm good. Okay. These could be the bloopers. And Lynn Lodge, success story.